What's the problem with today's wingsuit? It's too expensive.
Oh,
we're gonna see if we can make a wingsuit out of affordable materials today. We're gonna start off with clingfilm and then we're gonna build our way up. This is the first wingsuit. It's not going very well. We'll just have to start over. This is the process after I'm not sure how long, but we're looking wingy. I think we might fly today. This is what we're working with. I think it might do something, you know. We're gonna try it out on the trampoline first. I think I genuinely broke it a little bit. I think we're ready for the duct tape. This is the wingsuit we've got at the minute. This one I genuinely think is gonna work, but we've run out of tape. We're gonna have to go to the shop and say to the guy we need a little bit more. We're gonna test it on a trampoline, and then we're gonna go test it off some shit.
I believe I can fly.
Bruh,
Nah, that was well slow.
That's definitely slowing it down. Not high enough. I reckon if we have more like height though, it'll work. So let's go to the shop.
Maybe on aisle 7.
This is the suit. There's the 360 of it.
He needs some milk.
After taking that hit to the head, I just couldn't like fully lean forward anymore. But don't worry, we've got more tests. But I'll probably do a video in the future where I do this again with a helmet and jump off even higher stuff. You do it properly this time. Final test for the suit is, can it skate? Okay, we're gonna see if I can ollie. Oh, I literally can't get the other fucking legs high enough. Hey! It's past the skate test, bro, that's it. The suit checked out. It's about time we get this shit off. Bro, I'm stuck. Yo, I'm legitimately fucking stuck.
There you go.
Bro, that's so sweaty. Feel the levels of oil on that.
Bro,
I didn't really explain this very well, but what I was saying is whoever joins the Patreon will be put into a raffle and someone at random is going to win the suit from this video. So if you want to win the suit, just join the Patreon. It's only £1 a month. It comes with a free Reese Wild in hand, guys. I don't think I'm getting this off. Oh.
it's like one of those Victorian torture methods.
Oh. Bro. Ow. Ow. This is the wingsuit that someone in the Patreon's gonna win. Literally £1. You can hang this up anywhere in your house. If you made it to the end of the video, you're a legend. We're probably gonna do this again at some point, but I'll have a helmet, and what we didn't take into account is when you're in the suit, you can't climb. So that was probably the highest thing we could have jumped off. Another time we might do it, I don't know, into some water or something, but this is all we have for now.